This is the Amada Wasino Mi8. This is a 5-axis machine. It's designed specifically for the medical and aerospace industry. It's designed to do very complex high-speed milling and turning components of varying materials, titaniums, aluminums, brass components, some of which we're running here in today's demo. It's again a 5-axis type machine, very unique setup in that the X and Z axis moves. It is part of the headstock. On the turret we have a Y axis and a programmable swivel axis, B axis, to give us the ability to work around the part and generate very complex part geometries. The turning spindle is also a programmable C axis. We have 7.5 horsepower turning capability, 8,000 RPM with an optional 12,000 RPM. On the driven tool side, it's a standard 20,000 RPM with an optional 40,000 RPM, which really lends itself well to small drills, milling tools, tools of that nature, to allow for us to get some real usable surface footage with small, complex medical type parts. What we have all the servo drives are FANUC, and they're interfaced in through the FANUC control. We're using a FANUC 31i series. As you can see, when you look at the control panel, you get a good perspective on how we're able to do a 5-axis simultaneous type milling and turning. The machine can be configured one of two ways, either through a bar feed or through some type of load system. For the demo that we have here at IMTS, we're using a FANUC LR mate, and it is interfaced in with a pallet tray. We're removing and replacing product to that tray. We start out by taking the fixture from the palletizer and loading it into our spindle. It's a pull lock type system, very accurate. We go on to machine the component. Once it's finished, we'll do the exchange, deposit the finished product back to the pallet tray. On one real nice feature about this machine, in terms of the milling capability, is the 20-tool ATC magazine that we have attached to it. So it speaks to the capacity of tools that we can have, again, for aerospace and medical type parts that require a lot of tools for a real complex type part. We're showing some of our twin spindle machines, a larger 15 horsepower twin spindle, twin gantry machines with live tool capability, designed for larger hydraulic type components, designed for parts flow going from left to right, right to left. Essentially just large work envelopes that give us higher horsepower for metal removal rates, and essentially for larger parts. We're displaying that here today. What we also have is one of our gang tool machines. It's a unique build-up in that we have both a bar feeder and a gantry loader attached to the machine. Ordinarily, we'd see one or the other. Again, what we're hoping to impart onto the customer is the build-up, the modular build-up of the equipment. It's a Wasino designed and manufactured servo-driven bar feeder that'll be used for the primary operation. It'll deposit part down the parts catcher, whereby then the operator will take the part, reload it onto a 10-station rotary carousel that will present the material to the autoloader, allowing for us to go on to do a secondary operation. So we have a primary and secondary operation, again, through both bar feeder and gantry loader. We're doing hourly presentations for both our products that we're displaying here in our booth, and turning as well as our grinding products. So it's a 5-minute clip of what the products are all about, who we are, Amada Wasino, and some of the events that we have planned in the near future for our Schaumburg Solution Center.
Okay, and just tell me about the little machine down at the end.
Yeah, John, it's actually one of the bigger stores that we have in our booth. It's our Wasino J1 productivity package. It's a 7.5 horsepower, 8-station turret machine equipped with our own automation, part supply device, chip conveyor, and a 5-inch chuck for under $100,000. It's really gotten a lot of attention, and it's been a leader in the orders that we've taken for the show. So a lot of excitement about that particular product. It's a 5-place decimal resolution machine, and again, it's a great value for under $100,000. And anyone who has volume type work that really is looking to keep their price point down should come in to see the Wasino J1 productivity package. It's a fantastic bargain. The show has been very good. To this point, we've had plenty of leads. The enthusiasm and the interest in people coming into the booth has been very good as compared to past shows. I would say it's very good. We've taken some orders. We've got some very good positive leads. So overall, I would say it's been a very good show.
That was a big smile, so the orders must have been good.
It really has. We've surpassed the 06 limit, and we're building on the orders that we're taking on a daily basis. So we're very pleased with the show to this point. Booth 8545 here in the South Hall, and anyone who is producing parts in volume that is looking to reduce piece part cost, minimize the human intervention for part handling reasons, should come and see Amada Wasino. All the products are fitted with some piece of automation, and that's really what it's all about. If you're in a business of doing precision components, high volume, you need to come and see us here at the booth. We have ranging products that fit many different applications.